spending. Question number 2. What do you like/need most in a camera? Now, this is specifically talking about specs here. And we got, 4 questions or 4 answers here that you can go with. And you got A, colors. Colors, a lot of people really side with Canon on the colors. I know at this point people are like, oh, you're a Canon fanboy. Yeah, I use Canons mainly, but I do shoot with the other cameras as well. Panasonic is also pretty decent with colors. Sony is okay with colors. From my experience, they might come out a little greenish, along with Nikons, because Sony used to make Nikon sensors on the smaller end, and they still have a little bit of a stake in some of the smaller end Nikon sensors. So Nikon and Sony tends to look better on, or the same on the colors. Megapixels wise, Canon has a 5DSR, but at the same time, Nikon has a lot of high megapixel bodies. So if your megapixels is the number one thing you need, you might want to go with Nikon. And then Sony. So Nikon number 1, Sony number 2, and Canon number 3. Canon doesn't have a lot of high megapixel bodies. So if you're trying to crop, if you're trying to have a high resolution print, go with Nikon on that one. Dynamic range, go with Nikon on that one. Let's see, strong colors, I would also go with Nikon. These are all really, in this question, photographic type of questions. Megapixels is not really something that we look forward to in video. As a matter of fact, with the A7S, a lot of people say that lower the megapixels, the better dynamic range you have and the less noise you have, that kind of thing. So I would say Nikon really wins question number 2. Question number 3.